From the moment you step through the front door, you feel like you are home. So thoughtfully laid out, this home offers it all. Spacious kitchen, dining area, and living room, all share the same open space, and an ocean view. You will not feel cut off while entertaining or cooking, and you might even see a whale spout. Flexed space on main level, current use is a spare bed. Second bedroom and basement has its own exterior door, and features a kitchenette, great for guests. Extra large garage is very tall, offering a ton of room for your toys. Beautifully landscaped yard features a pond and a greenhouse. This home is perfect for full-time or vacation living.